Welcome. If you want to get iOS launcher on your Xiaomi Redmi 8A, in few steps I'm going to show you how we can get it. So for the first I'm going to delete this application, this one, and also the control center. It looks like that. You can install it with the second application if you want. And without this center, when you got the launcher and you open the notification bar, it looks like the Android. So you have to decide what you want. Let's go for the Play Store. Tap on the search pool, type iOS launcher, and we have to download application from the Lutin developer. It is this one, Launcher iOS 13. So let's download it. Click open. Click allow a few times, and right now tap on the home button. Select remember my choice and tap on the iOS launcher. Click on this notification, and as you can see, right now we got our iOS launcher. We can also edit here the widgets. We have to grant the permission, so let's enter here. Enter app permissions, and we can select all of them. Click home button, and that's how it looks. And as I said before, if you want to get the control center, you have to go for the launcher. Right here, tap on the control center and get it from the Play Store. So this is how you can get the iOS launcher on your Xiaomi Redmi 8A. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.